How to download Dead by Daylight on your PC. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can download Dead by Daylight on your PC. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here is open up a web browser and search for Dead by Daylight. After you find it, you will see its official website and the one by Steam. So you can head over to either one of these. So there you can see, you can buy the game from here, or what you can do is you can simply open up your Steam and search for it here as well. So let me just search for that. And after you search for it, you will see Dead by Daylight. I'll just open this up and there we go. So to download it, you can easily add it to cart by just choosing its special editions. You can find different editions here. So add it to your cart, and after you add it to your cart, you can head over to your cart and then simply check out. And that's basically it. That is how you download it. Now go through the payment process. You can head over to continue to payment from here and then buy the game. It's similar for the one on the website as well. Simply select your platform. Here you can see Steam, so it will take you to Steam and the process is same after that. And that's how you download Dead by Daylight. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.